In 1898, the Goldenbergs emigrated from Romania into the United States and started the first candy business. In the late 1928, 1929, they began making the actual peanut chew. And in the 1930s, the movie theater business convinced the Goldenbergs, along with Harry, that they wanted to cut the peanut chews into bite-sized pieces so that the theater goers could end up having individual pieces rather than having to eat a whole bar. Peanut chews became part of the Just Born family in 2003. Just Born, as you know, makes the famous Peeps, as well as Mike and Ike Zowers and Hot Tamales. We are in the beginning stage of our production. You are now standing in our cooking area where we make the center of our candy. The center of our candy consists of sugar, corn syrup, as well as additional ingredients, and our most famous, the peanuts. We buy our peanuts from farms in Georgia, which we then bring the peanuts to North Carolina, where they are roasted and prepared for our use here in Philadelphia. They come in super sacks. The super sacks hold approximately 2,000 pounds of peanuts. We bring in approximately 12 to 14,000 pounds of peanuts every day to use in our process. This is where the peanut chew with the nuts and the syrups are all being dispensed to being made into the beginning of our peanut chew. If you notice up top, you have the pipe coming from our bin, coming over, going down through the hopper, being mixed and dispensed right into this bin so that the peanuts are not being cooked, only the center is being cooked. This room is where we do the preparation of our center for robing by chocolate. And what we are doing is we're cooling the center down from the cooking area and also setting the candy up so that it can be cut into the individual bite-sized pieces, which are so traditional as part of the Peanut Chew brand. You're now seeing our peanut chews being ready to go get covered completely in chocolate, top and bottom. It's like being in the Willy Wonka chocolate factory. Air is being blown, coming down from the top. It's also coming up from the bottom in a tray so that you're actually seeing the candy coated on both sides when it comes out here. You're seeing peanut chews coming out of the cooling tunnel, getting lined up to come along our belting system so that they can be put on the tray for a bar, wrapped and individually packed into boxes, hand-packed and shipped out to all of our customers. We are international, selling both in Europe and in the Asian countries, including the United Kingdom, Korea, and Hong Kong. This is called the area where we actually line the candy up. This is actually on our floor. This is actually called technically a disc. And all it's doing is lining the candy up so that it can be channeled to go through the wrapping machine.